The M function and RS-232 connections come from the back of the box. They run to your CNC control box. In the case of the Fidel, there's the RS-232 connection, and the M function cable runs to the signal closure for the relay, which in this case happens to be an auxiliary board that your machine may or may not have, so you have to make sure that the machine is appropriately capable of a start and finish M function relay. Different manufacturers have different ways of doing it in different locations. You need to check your manual if your machine is capable of having a signal closure relay for the M function, start and finish. And if it's too complicated, you may need to involve a serviceman to find out how to connect to your particular CNC machine.